Okay, rivers. So this map is a map of England and Wales here, and the border's just up there somewhere to Scotland. So this map shows all the different rivers, all the main ones anyway, and it's got the seas written on it. Now remember that this bit here is quite tricky. So this bit is known as the Bristol Channel. It's near a main city called Bristol. Also, although it's sort of near to the Irish Sea, this is known as the Celtic Sea, which is all part of the Atlantic Ocean, including the English Channel as well. They're just separate parts of the Atlantic Ocean. So we're just going to call it Atlantic Ocean for today. But you will notice on other maps that they are individually split into smaller parts. Also, over here, we've got the North Sea. So you could say that this area here is the North Sea, because that's the border of the English Channel. The English Channel just literally separates England and France. It's just the bit of water in between the two countries. So we say that the North Sea sort of starts around here. So that label could move down, as I said before. So on this task, what you're going to do is you're just going to get used to the names of the rivers. I don't expect you to know them all or to know exactly where they are or anything. It's just getting you to use them and to know that there are lots of different river systems in England and Wales. So what you're going to do is you're going to search for the Thames. It's first on the list. Have a little look around. Oh, here it is. And it's got the number 4 next to it. So you are going to just simply write the number 4 there. Then you're going to look for the 7. So here it is. It goes from England into Wales and into England, and it comes out here at the Bristol Channel into the Atlantic. So that is numbered 1. So you put number 1 in there. Okay. Now, you might have heard that I just mentioned how it comes from Wales into England and into the Bristol Channel and to the Atlantic Ocean. So we are going to just write that it flows into the Atlantic Ocean. The spelling is all there for you, so you can copy that. If we have a little look at the Thames, see which river, see that flows into. Have a little look. Well, it's not going west, it is definitely going east, and it's here, the North Sea. So we can pop that in as well. So do the numbers first and then go on to the seas or the ocean if you want to. It would be nice though if you did, because I'd really like you to get used to this vocabulary of the North Sea, English Channel, Atlantic Ocean and Irish Sea. So you can fill those out. You can then we'll check your answers, have a little look. Here it's a little typographical map, which is colour coded. So the lowest lying land is green, highest is white. And you can see that in Scotland, England, Wales, south of England, Northern Ireland and Southern Ireland here, we've got some yellows and oranges and reds. So where's the highest areas of land? Well, it's these yellow and red bits, isn't it? And where do they lie? Mostly in Scotland, North England and Wales here. And then you've got a little bit here on the eastern of Southern Ireland there. So interesting how it all works out. And on this task, what you're going to do is just have a little look and see where these areas are. Name the country. So Northwest Highlands is here. That is in Scotland. You've got the borderline there, which is marked by a red line between England and Scotland. Okay, so it is up here in Scotland. So you would label that as Scotland. Then the Cambrian Mountains, okay, are labelled here. Now you can see that there's a little red borderline there between England and Wales. So it is in Wales. So you will label that as Wales, and so on. Then you can obviously check your answers here.